Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment, where we dive deep into the world of knowledge. Today we delve into the world of the humble beetroot, a vegetable that, despite its common appearance, holds within it a multitude of health benefits, some of which may surprise even the most seasoned health enthusiasts. The beetroot, a vibrant maroon gem hidden beneath the earth, has been the subject of intrigue for centuries. Its health properties whispered about in hushed tones by ancient civilizations. In recent times, this root vegetable has seen a resurgence of interest, not just from chefs looking to add a pop of color to their dishes, but also from scientists intrigued by its potential health benefits. From the laboratories of the world's leading universities to the kitchens of health-conscious foodies, beetroot has been making waves. Its rich, earthy flavor matched only by its rich, earthy benefits. What is it about this modest root vegetable that has captured the attention of the world? Is it the vibrant color, the earthy flavor, or is it something more? Something that lies hidden beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered? The answer, my friends, lies in the beetroot's unique composition, a veritable cocktail of vitamins, minerals and compounds, each with their own potential health benefits. But it's not just about what's in the beetroot, it's also about how these elements interact with our bodies, how they help us fight disease, boost our energy levels, and even improve our athletic performance. The beetroot's health benefits are not just a matter of nutrition, they are a matter of science, a testament to the incredible complexity of nature and our bodies. So, what exactly are these health benefits? How can this humble root vegetable help us lead healthier, happier lives? And what does science have to say about all this? Well, that's what we're here to discover. So buckle up, folks, as we embark on a journey of discovery, a journey that will take us deep into the heart of the beetroot mystery. Stay tuned as we peel back the layers of this humble root vegetable. Did you know that beetroot's history dates back to ancient times? The humble beetroot, a vibrant powerhouse of nutrients, has been gracing our plates and enriching our health for thousands of years. In fact, the beetroot story begins in the Mediterranean region, where it was first cultivated by the Greeks. The Romans, ever the innovators, discovered its medicinal properties and used beetroot as a treatment for a variety of ailments. From fevers to skin conditions, and even as an aphrodisiac, beetroot was a staple in the Roman medicinal arsenal. It wasn't just its health benefits that were valued, though. Beetroot was also considered sacred in certain cultures. Ancient civilizations used it in religious ceremonies and offerings, believing it to have divine properties. So, you see, beetroot has been revered and utilized throughout history, not just as a food, but also as a medicine and a symbol of divinity. Fast forward to the present day, and science is finally catching up with what our ancestors knew. So, what makes beetroot a superfood? Well, let's dive right in. Beetroot is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed to the brim with all the good stuff your body needs. It's high in fiber, helping to keep your digestive system running smoothly. It's also a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals. You'll find vitamin C, which is key for your immune system, and vitamin B9, more commonly known as folate, which is crucial for cell function and tissue growth. Then there's potassium, a mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. But beetroot doesn't stop there. It's also home to iron and manganese. Iron is necessary for the transfer of oxygen in your body, while manganese plays a role in the metabolism of amino acids, cholesterol, glucose, and carbohydrates. And the best part? All of this nutritional goodness comes with a low calorie count. Yes, you heard it right. Despite its sweet taste, beetroot is surprisingly low in calories, making it a perfect fit for all sorts of diets. Whether you're on a weight loss journey, following a plant-based diet, or simply aiming for a healthier lifestyle, beetroot is ready to be your loyal companion. But the story of beetroot's nutritional profile doesn't end with its fiber, vitamins and minerals. This vibrant root veggie also contains nitrates and pigments that are beneficial for our health. Nitrates are compounds that can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, while the pigments, known as betalains, have powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and detoxification properties. So, to sum it up, beetroot is a nutritional powerhouse. It's high in fiber, packed with essential vitamins and minerals, low in calories, and a source of beneficial nitrates and pigments. But that's not all. Beetroot has some astounding health benefits that we're about to reveal. So stick around as we delve deeper into the world of this incredible superfood. In recent years, beetroot has caught the attention of scientists worldwide. This humble root vegetable has moved from the sidelines to the spotlight, with numerous studies exploring its health benefits. Let's start with the athletic performance. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that beetroot can enhance physical performance. The research revealed that nitrates present in beetroot are converted into nitric oxide in our body. This nitric oxide helps to relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and oxygen supply to the muscles. In turn, this can boost endurance and make workouts more effective. So, if you're looking to step up your fitness game, beetroot might just be your secret weapon. Now, let's move on to blood pressure. High blood pressure is a prevalent health issue worldwide, but beetroot seems to offer a potential solution. A study from the American Heart Association's journal Hypertension found that beetroot juice can help lower blood pressure. Participants who drank beetroot juice experienced a significant reduction in blood pressure within just 24 hours. This effect was attributed to the high nitrate content in beetroot. It's fascinating, isn't it? But that's not all. Beetroot could also be your digestive system's best friend. A study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology revealed that beetroot is high in dietary fiber. This fiber aids digestion by adding bulk to the stool and promoting regular bowel movements. Moreover, beetroot is packed with betaine, a compound that helps protect enzymes in the stomach that break down food. This could potentially alleviate indigestion and other digestive issues. In addition, beetroot has shown promising results in improving cognitive function. A study in the journal Nitric Oxide, Biology and Chemistry found that the high nitrate content in beetroot could improve neural connections, potentially delaying the onset of dementia. While this research is still in its infancy, it opens up exciting possibilities for the role of beetroot in brain health. And then there's the potential for beetroot to support liver health. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that beetroot's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties could potentially protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. This could be particularly beneficial for those with liver diseases. Furthermore, a study in the Journal of Complementary and Integrative Medicine indicated that beetroot extract could potentially reduce cholesterol levels, thus supporting heart health. In the realm of cancer research, some studies suggest that the beta-cyanins in beetroot could potentially inhibit the growth of cancer cells. While these findings are preliminary and more research is needed, they point to the potential of beetroot in cancer prevention and treatment. And the research doesn't stop there. There's more to this vibrant vegetable than meets the eye. The scientific world continues to uncover the myriad of health benefits that beetroot holds, making it a worthy addition to our diets. So next time you see a beetroot, remember, it's not just a pretty face, it's a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be explored. Now that you're aware of beetroot's health benefits, you might be wondering how to include it in your diet. Well, there's a myriad of ways to make this vibrant root vegetable a part of your daily meals. First off, juicing beetroot is a popular option. This method allows you to consume all the nutrients in a concentrated form. The sweet, earthy flavor can be a pleasant surprise, especially when paired with other fruits like apples or carrots. For a refreshing twist, add a sprig of mint or a squeeze of lemon. If you're not into juicing, fret not. Roasting beetroot is another delightful way to enjoy it. Roasting enhances the natural sweetness of the beetroot and gives it a robust, hearty flavor. It pairs wonderfully with other roasted vegetables or as a vibrant addition to a salad. Now, if you're a fan of tangy flavors, pickling beetroot might be right up your alley. Pickled beetroot, with its sweet and sour taste, can be a fantastic addition to sandwiches or salads. Plus, the pickling process helps to preserve the beetroot, extending its shelf life. Beetroot can also be grated raw into salads for a crunchy, fresh element, or blended into a smoothie for a nutritious, colorful breakfast option. But what about the taste? Some find beetroot's earthy flavor a bit overpowering, but remember, the right pairings can make all the difference. Citrus fruits, nuts and soft cheeses can balance out the earthiness of beetroot. Herbs like dill, parsley or coriander also complement it nicely. And let's not forget about beetroot's leafy green tops. Yes, they are edible and packed with nutrients too. They can be sautéed, similar to spinach, or tossed into a salad. Incorporating beetroot into your diet isn't just about reaping its health benefits, it's about exploring new flavors, textures and culinary adventures. So whether you juice it, roast it, pickle it or eat it raw, beetroot offers a world of possibilities in the kitchen. With so many ways to enjoy beetroot, there's no reason not to give it a try. While beetroot is generally safe for most people, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, let's talk about a curious and harmless condition called beeturia. This is when your urine or stool turns a reddish or pinkish color after consuming beetroot. It might give you a bit of a surprise, but rest assured it's just your body processing the beetroot's natural pigments. Remember, it's completely harmless and will pass in a day or two. Now, on a more serious note, beetroot is high in oxalates, substances that can form small crystals in your body. These can cause problems for people with kidney disease or a history of kidney stones. So, if you fall into this category, you might want to limit your beetroot intake or avoid it altogether. On the topic of digestion, some people might experience stomach upsets or bloating after eating beetroot. This is because beetroot, like all vegetables, contains fiber. While fiber is great for your digestive system, too much of it can lead to discomfort. If you're new to beetroot or fiber-rich foods, you might want to start small and gradually increase your intake. Lastly, beetroot contains a good amount of nitrates, which are great for blood pressure and heart health. But if you're on medication to lower your blood pressure, consuming beetroot could potentially lower it too much. So, if you're on such medication, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding beetroot to your diet. Remember, everyone's body is different. What works well for one person might not work as well for another. That's why it's essential to pay attention to how your body reacts to new foods like beetroot. It's also important to note that while beetroot has numerous health benefits, it's not a miracle cure. It's best to incorporate it into a balanced diet, rather than relying on it solely for health improvements. As always, it's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you're unsure. So there you have it, beetroot, a humble vegetable with a powerful punch. Seems like an understatement, doesn't it? This vibrant, earthy root vegetable has been quietly changing lives, one plate at a time. It's been helping us maintain our blood pressure, boosting our exercise performance, and even supporting our brain health. Yes, all that from a single beetroot. Let's take a moment to appreciate the historical significance of this vegetable. From its use in ancient times as a medicinal plant to its role in modern-day diets, beetroot has proven to be a true survivor. It's stood the test of time and continues to be a vital part of our meals. And let's not forget the studies that back up these claims. Scientists around the world have been digging into the benefits of beetroot. The findings? Quite impressive. From its high nitrate content to its rich array of antioxidants, beetroot has been shown to pack a significant health punch. Now, how about adding beetroot to your diet? It's quite simple, really. You can juice it, roast it, or even add it to your salads. There's no shortage of recipes out there for you to try. But remember, moderation is key. While beetroot is healthy, consuming it in large quantities can lead to certain side effects. So, how has beetroot touched your life? Have you noticed any changes since you've started including it in your diet? Maybe you've discovered a delicious recipe that you'd like to share with us. We'd love to hear your beetroot stories and experiences. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of beetroot. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Infinite Infotainment for more fascinating insights. Until next time.